What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we are going to have a good time. If you guys watched last week's video, this is like the same day. We're out riding. I'm riding Kenny, KSIX, my boy over there, his 2015 R1. But we're going to do something a little different. My boy K6 has so graciously allowed me to take his 2019 H2 Carbon out for a spin. Yeah, he's crazy. I know. So anyway, so we're going to get into that. We'll talk about the bike, talk about some of the mods he's done. We'll talk about just, we'll just talk about it. So if you like this bike and you want to know more about it, you want to hear my opinion, make sure to stick around. So we're here with my boy K6 over here. Yeah, we're riding his 2019 H2 Carbon. Such a beautiful machine. So, but before we get into that, I just wanted to say, if you're new to my channel, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell button there, you know, to get notified next time I post a video. We do all kinds of videos, moto vlogs, bike content, not bike content, test rides. We talk about different subjects about biking, commuting. We do all kinds of stuff. So a lot in store to. Lot more in store. However, just fucking hit the subscribe button. That's all. So if you're watching this, I'm assuming you're watching this because you went into a little googly doodly and looked for 2019 H2 or H2 Carbon, specifically this beautiful beast right here, which belongs to my homie K6. So if you guys want more content with this bike, make sure to go subscribe to him. I'll put his link down below. Before we go for a little spin, I want to talk about some of the things that he has done to it, and we'll kind of go over some of that and just go from there. Anyway, so this is what a 2019 H2 Carbon looks like. It's definitely beautiful. That green accent. He's got some mods done to it already, which I'm sure you guys can see. With that said, talk about some of the cosmetics real quick that he's done to the bike. He's got a new seat that he just kind of did himself, reupholstered it. It's a Louismoto, Louismoto.com, Louismoto seats. He's got the gel installed. I mean, he did this himself, and it literally looks factory. He did a good job. It came with this as well, his little satchel or fanny pack back here. So that looks good. I mean, it matches the bike perfectly. It really kind of, it just looks good. And then, of course,
the only other thing that I've done to the bike so far, besides the seat, Van Diemen.
Yeah.
Titanium.
So you guys saw that beautiful exhaust. That's definitely not stock. It's a Van Diemen exhaust.
Yeah.
Van Diemen exhaust. Yeah. How much weight did you save?
I don't know exactly. I've been told that this weighs about 10 pounds, and when I took the factory one off, just the header and cat, I have to say there was at least 25, 30.
Damn. So they said the exhaust system, the headers, everything is 10 pounds?
I'd say it's about 10 pounds.
Wow, that's crazy. And obviously you guys can see it's blue. It looks fire.
Yeah. And then the ECU has been flashed, but it's not tuned yet.
Right. So he's definitely already done the ECU. It's a Woolwich ECU. Woolwich Racing. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's something Wolf. Woo.
Easily.
But yeah, so he's got the ECU in there. It's unlocked.
Yeah.
So you have the
de-restricted.
top end de-restricted. You have the cooling system lowered, so it comes on sooner, right?
It's basically set up right now so there's no restrictions on the bike, and when I want to go in later on and tune it some more, I can easily do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the company that set this tune up or sent the ECU and got all that hooked up with him and helped him set it all up, was like, hey, you know, he has one, so he's working on designing the actual flash for it.
Yeah, so the guy that flashed my ECU also had a 2019 delivered. So as he was writing his,
he's
I
doing
believe
yours.
that mine was the second one.
Right.
So
And
this was the first 2019 and mine was the second.
So then I'm assuming as he tweaks it and mods it, you'll have a place to go get that.
And you know, just having a connection. Usually when you get your ECU flashed, if you send it somewhere, it's like you put it in the box and you send it away, and you really don't know who did it or or what. But you know, having talked to this guy, and
plus he has it.
Yeah, and he has it, and he's doing all the work himself.
Yeah. So you know,
direct line to
that's the
somebody.
cool thing. I think that's what's one of the cool things about that is that it's someone who actually has a bike. So the stuff he's doing to it, he's doing because he loves the bike, and you know he's going to put in the effort and the work to get it done.
Right, because he doesn't want his own bike to blow up.
Exactly. He doesn't want his own bike to blow up. So
I'm trying to keep the engine mods
minimal
for now.
Yeah.
You know, my whole goal with all this modification or anything that I do is just to maintain its rideability. I don't want it to be so damn fast that I can't enjoy
So you can't enjoy it. Yeah. It's definitely enjoyable.
It's stupid fast.
Yeah.
So.
And obviously, you know, you had to get rid of the wheel tail, and it looks like you got RNG fender limiter with. Are these LEDs? Yeah, LEDs. So you got that taken care of. You got your Guardian Bill all set up already.
Yeah,
so, and then I think you also have it ceramic coated, right?
Yeah. So as soon as I picked it up, if you guys watched the video of me unboxing it and going for the first ride, I got it home. The next day, I took it right to the shop, and most of it is clear protective film, and then everything else, over 100% of the bike is all ceramic coated.
Yeah, this looks dope. Like,
so you can see over the front, this whole carbon area, that raw carbon is all
ceramic coated.
Yeah, it's all ceramic coating and clear protective film, and then a couple more random spots like here in the back. It's got these high impact areas are all film, and then everything else is all ceramic coated.
Okay, cool.
And as you can see, I mean, it's got a little bit of dirt from riding around today, but honestly, I can.
You use your bike. That's the thing. I think that's one of the things I always wonder with people that buy these bikes. Like, do you ride it? Like, you see people spend this money and buy these bikes, and then they just garage it, but you're actually riding the shit out of this bike.
So what, 2 months now?
2 months, yeah. And of course, you got that beautiful supercharger logo here, and it sounds amazing.
And it makes the R1 look like the slow bike.
It does make the R1 look like the slow bike, which is kind of weird to say, I think, because that R1 it's got similar mods. You have it, ECU flash. You have the power commander on it.
Mm-hmm.
You have the power commander on it.
I think I got it to
the full system.
190s to the wheel right now.
Yeah. Oh, that's one thing. Yeah. So here's a good. Yeah, that's perfect. I missed that. So his R1 is hitting about 190 to the wheel. You just got this dyno. What was it at?
205.
205 to the wheel.
And that's slow. That's slow. Like, my H2 is slow in comparison to some of the other H2s out there.
That's insane. That's still crazy. So
yeah,
so I mean, it's a beast, man. It is a beast. So,
there's so much hidden potential
I think
in this bike.
you guys want to hear it, don't you? And this is you said there's 4 different screens. So there's 4 different customizable screens that you can adjust.
Yep.
Let me get over here so we can hear get the full sound quality. I apologize if this blows out the sound. This is the moment you want to lower your headphones. Oh, that hurt my ear. Yeah, that tickled my eardrums.
Yeah.
Oh,
damn.
Oh,
one thing
I know you didn't see it because you're on a gimbal, but I did one of those. Oh.
One thing I learned right away is I cannot ride this bike without some kind of headphones or earplugs.
All right, guys. So I think we're gonna go for a spin here. Like I said,
to, do that again.
Yeah, don't do that again.
Yeah.
Make sure to go check out his channel. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the comment, and let's go ride this thing. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. All right. All right. So this thing has 1,400 miles, not 1,000. 1,434 miles. She's still a baby.
She is still a baby.
All right, so first thing first, I'm just going to play with the clutch a little bit. I want to see what you were talking about, see where it engages.
Be careful with your throttle input, because it's
Not forgiving?
it is not forgiving. Not even like the R1 forgiving.
Gotcha. So does this have like ABS and rider modes? Like what's a
No. You can turn up the traction control, like turn it up and down. That's basically it. Right now I've got the quick shifter on.
Okay.
The launch control is turned off.
Okay. ABS?
It does have ABS, but you can't turn it on and off.
Okay.
And honestly, I don't feel like it's as intrusive as it is on the R1.
All right. Is he ready, sir?
Do you want to turn the traction control up a little bit?
If it's on, I'm good. I'm not gonna.
It's on 4.
I'm not.
4 out of 9.
Oh, so it's almost halfway.
Yeah, it's about halfway.
All right.
Yep. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm taking my time.
Nope. Oh, damn, you might have stalled.
I did not stall, sir. I did stall your R1.
I just stalled my R1.
Oh.
Switching back and forth is don't judge me. You know what?
All right.
Oh, shit, son.
All right. Feels good. I like the cockpit. It's really big. Like it's actually, the cockpit feels pretty wide in comparison to some of the other bikes I've been on. It feels really busy. Like there's a lot going on here. But
it's not overly busy.
Yeah, it's not overly busy. Everything is kind of like where it needs to be, kind of thing. And it doesn't feel like super long. It feels kind of short, right? So it doesn't feel super elongated. Yeah, that's third gear, and it still has like third gear, and it's still good to go. Like there's plenty of power. There's a lot of power there. All I'm doing right now is just kind of get a feel for the bike. We'll probably turn around and go back, and I'm just trying to see how she feels at the moment before I kind of dig into her. We have this beautiful scenery too, man. Look at that. It's a beautiful day to be able to come out here and ride bikes. I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah. And as of today, which is what, June 22nd? As of today, June 22nd, I still think there are people in North America that haven't received it yet.
That's insane, man.
Yeah, people that ordered like towards the end of the ordering period, and we're still waiting.
I feel like for me, the clutch and the brakes, I might angle down a little bit because they feel like super for me.
That's how I felt at first too.
Gotta get used to that. I'm trying to be easy with the clutch here, not the.
It's hydraulic, man. You're good. You're good, man. As long as, like I said, you don't have to do a lot.
Bro, that's insane. I'm not even opening it up all the way. That's not even like. That is not even opening it up all the way. This first gear is kind of interesting right there. Trying to get used to that. Holy shit. Jesus. That first gear is interesting. So the throttle is, so the throttle is really sensitive. Like there's a lot of, not play, but like every little bit you move, every movement is definitely a difference in power. Like every small movement is definitely a difference in power. So
it's very sensitive.
Yeah, absolutely unforgiving. I could definitely see someone getting themselves in trouble with this. Maybe.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
No, go ahead.
When I first got the bike, that was one thing that I didn't like about it, that the throttle was so sensitive.
So
after a while, that becomes part of its character and why it's so awesome.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Every little bump in the road, your hand moves a centimeter and you're flying.
Can you adjust that with the tune?
Can you do what?
Can you adjust the throttle sensitivity with the ECU tune that you have? Is that something that's adjustable?
I think it might be slightly, but honestly, I don't know. I don't know enough about all that stuff to really give you an answer.
Yeah.
But I do know that through the tuning, they can kind of level it out. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah. So one thing I'm noticing is that even though it is, how much does this weigh?
I think it's like 4 and some change.
Yeah, it doesn't feel
than the R1.
It doesn't feel heavy when you're riding it. Like
No.
it feels kind of nimble, much more nimble than I expected it to feel for sure.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was going to be like a very, because it has like so much raw power. I felt like it was going to be very like kind of sluggish, you know, or I don't know. I just felt it was going to be a little bit different. It's definitely not. All right, first gear. Let's go. I feel like a baby in first gear.
That's the scariest part, just taking off from the light.
Oh my God, dude. Huh?
Stop sign up there.
That is insane, dude.
Yeah.
That is insane. Like, you have so much more to go. Like, I'm not opening it up all the way, but you can, like, it's still, like, if I were to just, I don't even know, man. I can't even describe it. That's pretty intense.
That is a year's worth of planning, folks.
Yeah, man. I'm like glad you got this thing. I don't think I would have ever ridden one because they don't let you test ride them.
Oh no. And if you find one at a dealership, it's probably been rode to shit. I mean, this guy has only been on it for what, 3 miles, and he's already trying to get it. So
yeah. Oh yeah. Why are you calling me out? Like
he's already trying to get some.
Bro, you are literally like the fastest fucking thing on the road right now. Like I am. Like literally, this thing is ridiculous. It's a beautiful bike, man. It's actually not as uncomfortable that I was thinking. I can see the seats a little. Yeah, that's with the gel too, huh?
Yeah, that's with the gel. But even the stock seat wasn't that bad. But that first ride to LA, that 400-mile day,
was that rough?
Yeah, that was a little rough towards the end.
It's not as uncomfortable as I thought.
The riding in the seating position is
your knees and your rear sets or whatever, they're definitely a bit high. Mm-hmm. So your knees are definitely bent. I feel almost like at a 90-degree angle. Maybe I'm wrong.
No, you're right. That's the way it feels. But you're not. Looking at you right now, you're down. You're not at a 90-degree angle. Or at least your thighs aren't horizontal. And I feel like they're right where they're supposed to be, but it feels higher.
Yeah, I can see on a long ride kind of getting a little bit tired on here. It's not super uncomfortable, at least what I thought it was going to be. But I can see like a long ride would definitely get uncomfortable. And then now that you have like the gel seat, I'm sure that's going to be helpful in a long ride.
Well, today was the first time I've really ridden it since installing that seat.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, hey, you're learning.
Yeah.
I like my tail light. That's all I can see right now.
That's all I can see right now.
You're fucking pulling away from me. Are you switching? Going down to like second?
Yeah. Oh my God, dude. That's insane.
Kickstand is kind of hard to find. Okay. Well, you found it better than I did the first time.
I gotta give it a few kicks.
Yeah, just to make sure.
Yes, just to make sure. So,
yeah.
Bro, that's fire. That's fucking. So, with that, guys, I think I want to say thank you to Kenny. Appreciate it. Make sure to go check out his channel if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more H2 content, installs, mods, upgrades. Your boy's got it all.
Just going out and
doing shit like that.
Yeah, just going out and having fun and living that bike life. Come see me.
Yeah, go see him. Definitely really appreciate it. Anyways, with that said, I hope you guys appreciate the video. I hope you guys like it. I definitely enjoyed riding it. If you can go ride one, I highly recommend it. It is such a blast. I think I'm gonna ride this back to his house.
Would you say it's a life-changing experience?
It's in bike life, yes. Yes, definitely. It's a
bike life.
It's a different type of power for sure. Anyways, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit the little bell button just to get a reminder of next time I put out videos. I know a lot of you guys, but look at my analytics. Some of you guys I have to say, you guys haven't been coming back and watching my videos. That's all good. I'm just saying, hit the little bell button, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So with that said, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Until next time, peace.